Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Excuse me, I want to introduce myself. My name is Aulia Rahma. I'm from Indonesia. I'm 30 years old. I'm married. I have son. He is 8 years old. My height 152 cm and my weight 50 kg. My last education in junior high school. My experience before in Singapore for 6 years from 2019 until 2025. My duties are take care the children, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and go to market. I can cook Chinese food like a porridge, soup, steamed fish, steamed chicken, and fried rice and vegetable. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want more money for my future and family. I hope ma'am and sir will hire me to work in your family. I promise I will be good maid, honest, obedient, humble, and hardworking until finish my contract. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Thank you, ma'am. Lu sudah jadi, ma'am?